Hey guys, I just wanted to give a little update on how my dragon fruit seedlings are doing. This is my first experiment with growing dragon fruit from seed, and a lot of them are coming along. If I had not neglected these as much as I have, I think many more of them would have sprouted and been a little further along than they are. But at this point, I think I want to kind of rehome these and give them a little bit more attention so that now that they've gotten to this stage, I won't lose the progress that they've made. So I'm going to repot these and give them a little bit better of a home that's not just a little tray getting sun blasted, because some of these other seedlings in here are very, very small still, and they are showing signs of kind of drying up and not making it. So that'll be the neglect causing that. But I do have a sizable one right here and a decent sized one next to it, and then this one kind of in the middle. So I'm going to give them their own little pots and then pay better attention to them instead of just sticking them in a little corner and hoping for the best. So I got one of them out, and you can kind of see at the bottom here its roots that have gone down. And these are from an earlier set of experiments where I was using a denser growing medium. So it's good to know that they could make it with this growing medium that's not necessarily best for them. I think if I were to do this over again, I would definitely have used a lighter growing medium, and it explains why I've had so few make it. But I'll show the other one's roots when I get it out of there as well. So here's the other one. You can see its roots there. And this is 2, so I'm going to do what I can to separate them and give them their own little space. Alright, they all have their little homes to themselves. I'm going to leave these other ones in the tray and maybe give them a little bit more attention than they've been getting, and see if they get any bigger than that, or maybe they'll continue their die-off. In any case, I've got these ones to continue with, and these are a yellow dragon fruit. So that'll be fun to add that to the collection here. But I have definitely not done this process of growing dragon fruit from seed in the most optimal fashion, that is for sure. But I have still been able to see some results. So I will take this as some learning and lessons for the next time I grow dragon fruit from seed.